Hello game designers. Today I'm going to show you how to add text splash screens into your games. Uh, text splash screens are basically just storytelling devices, character dialogue boxes, and what else for, putting story into your game. These are real simple, real fast. I'm just going to teach you the basics. So I'm working on a Flappy Bird game. Fine, but no story. So to add that, I'm going to go into click the game, game blocks, scroll down to prompts, and you can see one that says splash screen. Right? Click that, drag it, and put it in the code, and you can see the game is going to start up with a blank splash. You can press A and go through it, and nothing happens. So if you want that not to blank, you go over here to the splash, the purple bar, click in the white sphere, and then type whatever message you'd like into it. Say, hello world. Pretty common. Alright, and then you'll see upon refreshing the game it says hello world. But maybe you want to write more. Maybe one bubble doesn't have enough space on it, so type in a bunch of H's, and you'll see that you quickly run out of space. So what you would like to, you can see it scrolls there as well for you. So if you want to start a new line, what you can do is just delete this first, click this little plus right here, and you'll add a new line, and we'll say refreshing. Hello world, I like making video games. The tricky part is grammar in this. As you can see, I want this to be like one sentence or two sentences. So if I have like a multi structured sentence, I can be like, have you seen my, don't finish the sentence, press the plus, and then keep on writing, Game Boy Anywhere, question mark, click outside, and you'll see it just forms a sentence. Mary, have you seen my Game Boy Anywhere? And then click A, go right to the game. Now, if you want to add more than just 2 lines of dialogue, or 2 lines of a sentence, what you can do is just go back to game, click splash again, just keep adding more blocks. This is the second splash text. Oops, spelled splash wrong. The third, and then obviously the fourth. Right, click out, refresh the game. Mary, have you seen my Game Boy Anywhere? This is the second splash. The third, the fourth. Then you're after the game. Neat, huh? Alright. Let's say you want a thing to come up in a text, right? Like you're playing the game, you want an NPC to say something. So, what you can do is delete these. You can go back to game. You can have show long text. And hello, world. And over here, this box you can set place where that text will pop up, so let's say keep it bottom. Refresh the game. It's just there. Press A. You got it. You see it's a little different. It has like room for longer sentences. Goober, yeah. You're a goofy goober, yeah. We're all goofy goobers, yeah. I like SpongeBob. See, hello world, I'm a goofy goober, yeah. You're a goofy goober, yeah. We're all goofy goobers, yeah. This one you don't have to add multiple long texts. You just keep typing and it'll just keep showing up. So it always comes before. If you want to like change the location of it when it'll show up, just get that separated. Put that back in the game, and then place it anywhere you'd like. So say every time I press A, it would show up. Pause the game, scroll through it, comes back. Silly. Alright. And I think there's one more thing I can show you. It's if you want a sprite to say something. So say if you want the sprite to say something every time you press A, you want to change the variable to the player character, the player variable, which is I put as user, and then ouch. Let's actually put this. You know what? No, let's keep it right there. Say I'm a flying bat. So every time I hit A, you'll see that the character says I'm a flying bat, and it'll follow the character. So this is good for like NPCs you have on a path, and you don't really want to go into like a cutscene for that. They'll just character walk up to him and say, I'm a flying bat. And that's pretty much to text splash screens. Thank you for staying around. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon.